We just got a package. Let's get it. You heard me? The Mini Mic Pro, Dual Pros, USB-C, Lightning port. Let's get it. This is the box. These are all the things that come in it. And of course, my box came in good condition with a piece of paper that lets you know like what the quantity and what it is in the box. Came with the plastic, so you know it's new and not refurbished. Make sure you go and do your warranty. December the 7th. Two. You sign a few more. I had to come and show y'all visual learners how to use the adapter and the connector. Simple. It's easy. Okay? Boom. That's it. Then you insert it. This adapter is for the iPhone 14 and less. So iPhone 13, 12, 11, go down. The C connector, it can act as it by itself in your phone if you have an iPhone 15 or newer. 16, whatever else they come up with. It's Apple. But yeah. This can be used as to charge your phone as well. Like when it's plugged up inside, you can use both to charge your phone. Boom. So remember to charge this connector, charge the mics and everything before you use. I'm gonna start off with this because it's loud in my background. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I'm pretty sure y'all can hear it throughout the whole thing. But yeah, so yeah, I'm ready to use this. It's befitting that this was my first order to actually arrive as well. Get you one.